didn't expect the chef to ask what's in it. What the hell do you think?
Fingernail or something going on.
Got to spread that around.
I was just about to go up in the cockpit because Pascal said that I had to get ready to go up and help out. And she told me I couldn't, I had to stand by. And then I've got all the clothes on and I'm boiling hot. I'm slowly dying with heat, which is ironic because it's freezing up there.
I guess the last few days we've either been running from the weather or hiding from the weather. Since we've left Greenland, we had a little weather window just to come across Baffin Bay, and then since arriving on the Canadian side we've been trying to find anchorages to hide from the weather. We've had problems with anchors dragging, so we spent a bit of time just hove to, and we finally found this anchorage which was actually holding, so we've been sitting here for the last 24 hours just waiting for this latest storm to blow through. Just between a little two fronts coming through, a little calm patch, we managed to do some of Paul's science, so we did some of his microbial sampling. He's looking at viruses and various other small things in the water column, so we did get some of our science work done.
Right, so it's going down to 50 metres now.
Okay.
We're looking at the microbial community at 100 metres depth as we go down through the ocean layers. If we find out a little bit more about actually what's living down here, the really small stuff, gives us a much more better understanding about the bigger stuff. So I'm looking at the temperature, salinity, chlorophyll, so how much photosynthetic life is in there. The chlorophyll tells us how much microbial life's down there, so how much life is actually photosynthesizing, so how much life is actually pulling down energy at the start of this ecosystem. Temperatures let us know exactly what conditions these organisms are living at. So right now they're at 0.07 degrees Celsius at 100 metres. So these things are photosynthesizing at pretty much close to freezing. So I sampled 5 depths: 0, 50, 100, 200 and 500 metres. Putting the water through the filter will trap all the microbes that are bigger than 0.22 microns. It's a way of concentrating all the organisms smaller than 1.5 microns into one place. A lot of the stuff will be quite new. No one's really looked at high latitude marine environments for really small microorganisms, the kind of organisms that I'm looking at. So I think around 70% of them will be previously unknown to be in these waters.
One of the objectives of the trip was certainly to do research. We wanted to add to the body of research in this area because all through this last ice area there's so little research that's been done because it's so inaccessible. It's hard to get to, it's expensive to get to, and when you get to it, conditions are tough to do research in. So it's really important to get a baseline on it to understand what's there right now if we're going to hope to understand how life will change here.